Let's go over now to this question from Abdul Latif, who's in Brussels, startup founder of World Technology Center. Most of the urban farmers or suppliers fail to provide the agricultural supplies due to certification issues as required in the USA and EU markets. So who's responsible in addressing this issue? Would anybody be able to help responding to Mr. Abdul Latif here? Mark, you always save the day.
As a willingness to jump in, even though I don't necessarily know the answer. I think, yeah, I mean, certification is an enormous question. And I think there's a lot of urban agritech in particular is quite new. Certification is not necessarily a thing that is established in these industries just yet. Perhaps Harry can correct me here, because Japan, it's been going a lot longer. And there are the emergence of some of these. There's the Food Safety Coalition in the northeast of the US as well, and a few others dotted about that are looking at these questions, and industry associations are looking at them, obviously. But it does take time to develop sort of certification and standards and labeling and all of these kinds of things. So I think the key to it, and it depends entirely on the local context, I suppose, but try to find what the baselines are where you are. Who are you selling to? If you're going to sell into supermarkets, you're going to have a lot more hoops to jump through than if you're selling at a local sort of street market or something like that, right? So it's finding out what your local context is, where the baselines are, and then beginning to meeting whatever standards are there, and then as an industry develops, you can begin to meet wider sort of certification requirements in whatever given region you're in.
Thank you. Matt, this question is for you. It's